Welcome back to the Is Carolyn Gray channel. I went to Cos and I went to Zara and I picked up some things that I thought would be essential for my spring summer. So let's get right into it. And actually there's going to be a spin-off video based off of the first item I'm going to show you from Zara. These satin wide leg pants that have a string on the sides, going with the cutout string around aesthetic for the summer. I figured I'd pick up these bad boys because they're beautiful on. They feel great to touch. I do like the satin pieces that Zara makes, and I just thought that these were super smart. The zipper's on the side. The inseam is probably like 30 inches, so it's a great stopping point for me at the bottom if I wanted to wear a heel or a flat shoe. Either way, I was like, this I can't go wrong in. They're not too thick where I would like sweat to death in the summertime if it's super hot and humid. I just felt like I needed them. And I don't have a pair of satin pants at the time, and I know one of my subscribers here on in the family, he asked if I could do a satin pant tutorial, like how to style. So I was like, yes, I can do it, but I need a pair of those pants. So oddly enough, like a couple days after he mentioned it, I found these babies and I was like, oh, add to cart. Yep, add to cart. We got the satin pants, and we're gonna do the spin-off tutorial with those. So I'm super excited about those. I thought those were very classic, but still edgy. I do think that I was a little bottom heavy with this haul, which is strange. I feel like I buy a lot of pants and skirts more so than I do with tops. So, you know, now I'm on a freeze going forward for a little while, but I think the next time I go into shop for any part of my wardrobe is definitely going to be more top focused, because I love pants, all different types of pants. I feel like you can't go wrong with a pant you could always wear with a white t-shirt. Like mostly everything I have that's a pant or a skirt, I could wear with a t-shirt and it looks bomb, okay? So the next pair of pants that I actually got from Zara as well are these like wide leg linen khaki pants with the cargo detail there. I felt like with like a little sailor pocket as well. I felt like these are aesthetically pleasing to look at. I got them in a size medium. I could have gotten a small, but they would have been a little uncomfortable. I feel like they wouldn't have fit right in proportion on my body. So I just went with the medium. And yes, I did kind of go with the whole low-rise trend that's out there. Like these essentially are more low-rise. Now, the back of the pant sits up a little higher, so I'm not in danger of the coin slap booty crack situation there. So I definitely really excited for these. Can wear them with flats, sandals, even a little heel. And they feel amazing. Like the linen feels like great quality. So I'm definitely going to wash and maintain these in a certain way so I can have them. This feels like how Zara used to feel, you know, when they first came to the States, and you know, because it was in Europe for a while, we didn't know about it, and then when it came to the States in New York, that was probably around 2005, 2006, maybe earlier than that. And yeah, it feels like back in the day Zara material, which I'm really happy about. And another bottom. So I got these because at first I really wanted them before I saw the linen pants, but they sold out, and then my size restocked, and I was like, oh. So these are, again, cargo pant. Love a good cargo pant, and a denim material and a wide leg bottom. I just felt that this, with the tops that I did get with Zara and a few like button downs and all different types of style shirts, I thought it was really clean and beautiful. Great for vacation, great for, you know, a quick brunch with the girls or a quick little evening stroll with my mister. I felt like these were really pretty, and it's not like a stark white, it's an ecru. Y'all know how I feel about stark white pieces, and the stitching is a bit more ecru as well. So I felt like this is really rich looking in this colorway. So glad they came back into stock. And then I saw these overalls, these denim overalls. I haven't worn overalls probably since I was a kid. And what I liked about these, the buckle on these are definitely cute and different. To wear one and not the other, or wear both. I felt like this particular color was so cute. Love the back pocket detail. One of them is no pocket with that darker pigment, and then you have the one pocket on the side. I just felt like these were so chic. And the bottom is a raw finish there, and it has a split open on the inside of the pants. So I loved everything about it. I feel like I could wear a really clunky, thick platform sandal with these. I could wear them with Converse sneakers, Rick Owens sneakers. Like, there was so many different types of shoes I could wear this with. And again, I mentioned there's a couple of tops that I got that would go amazingly with these other pants that I got. Same situation with these overalls. And let's get into those tops. And y'all know I'm gonna link all the pieces below. So the tops that I scored this time around at Zara, and this happened with a couple of other items that they posted and they sold out so fast. So when I saw these, I was like, let me hurry up and get that because I don't want that to sell out on me. So I got this tank top that's like a sheer ribbed netted tank top. You know, that's also big on trend. It's like all the knitted open knit pieces. I love the neck opening on this. It's like a closed-in crew neck, and the way that it silhouettes on the bust area was just very clean lines. It gave me very 90s, especially with the white wide legs. It's giving 90s chic, early 2000s when we could understand what they were saying in music. And I love, and I love the material. Also, in the same exact material, they had them in short sleeve version, and I got the white and I got the black because y'all know I love wearing black, so I needed the black. So I got this as well, and I'm so excited. I feel like these are the types of tops that can go with so many different things but still have its edgy appeal. It's a basic, but it has such an edgy appeal to it. So I was really happy I got those. I know one of those or two of those are sold out. They had a long sleeve one that I wish I got, and it sold out so fast, but whatever. You gotta be quicker than that. And then my final Zara piece, and then we'll get into cost, is this tie-dye button-down situation. I bought an extra large because I wanted it to be, you know, billowy and full and just pretty, easy breezy for the summer. Love the blue. You know, it's making me try different colors but still staying in the neutral black family because baby steps. And I really like this material. It's a linen cotton, very lightweight, and it even has like, I don't know if you could see that detail there, but I thought that was pretty decent. Like, and it's a slight bat wing, slight, very slight, which I don't like when it's in my actual size. I love it when it's super oversized. So that's another reason why I did the extra large, because when the sleeve is like long in a sense, but it has that cut off detail, it makes it look shorter. And for me, I just don't like that aesthetic. It makes me feel like too clean cut. If that's, yeah, it makes me feel too clean cut. Like, no, I want this to be a little messy, oversized, summertime, easy breezy feel. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So going into cost. So I have a few cost pieces, but when I went into the shop that day, I was like, baby, y'all are killing it. I really love these pieces. So essentially I went online first and I saw that they had these beautiful white t-shirts, and it was a crew neck but super tight and higher. And I was like, oh, that's really rich looking. I need to get into that. So I ordered 2 of the white ones, and I wanted to go in store just to see what else they had. What is this little piece of lint? So this is a t-shirt. It's oversized. The shoulder detail is longer, so it just makes it look like there's no seam at all. So it gives that oversized boxy effect on the shoulders when it's like that. But the neck, It's so good. It's so good. That with like a cool choker or like a bunch of necklaces also just looks so cute together. And it's slightly cropped. It's not super long in length, which I liked as well. So I could definitely have the ability to tuck it into the front and let it billow in the back. And I wish they had more colors in that, because I would have tried. They had a pink, but I didn't like the pink. It was too commercial, if that makes any sense. It was too like, nah, I don't like it. It's not giving me much zest. It's a basic hot pink. And it was a little like heavy looking. I don't know. So anyway, I'm going too into detail over a top I didn't even get. So the other item, let me just close this so you can see the vibe. So this was a sheer button down moment in like that, my favorite ecru color. I feel like it goes well on so many different types of people, but I had to get this. I got it in a size 12, which is basically like they're large, extra large, and this can go with everything. It can go with so many different things. It does fit a bit more closer to the body as far as like this area is concerned, but that's why I went up in size so I can play with it. And I loved the sleeve detail. It's a little bit darker than the sheer area here, and it kind of like, it could bell out if you wanted it to. It has a couple of buttons here and you could bell it out or keep it close to your wrist. But yeah, this is a favorite. I had something very similar to this a couple years ago and I wore it to death. So I'm noticing there's some pieces I'm repeating and replacing because I know how it fits my body and how it goes so well with so many pieces in my closet. Like that with a pair of shorts and like a pair of strappy sandals. Perfect for dinner real quick. You know what I mean? Perfect for vacation. Then I saw this baby and I've been wanting like a oversized sheath dress that is very like Jill Sander-ish, like very clean cut, minimalistic. And I found it at Cos and I fell in love. It has pockets as well. I think this also comes in a navy and a lilac neon like purple. But I love this short sleeve on this. It just made me feel so comfortable. It made me feel like Aruba. It made me feel very easy living, you know, but still, you know, the linen is heavy enough where it gives the shape some weight and it feels very rich. And I think this dress was $135 and I felt like it was worth it because this is something that you can have for a very long time. Like the cost per wear for this one is gonna like, it's gonna be like a penny, you know, with the way that I plan on wearing this. And like I said, I don't go crazy summer shopping because it's too hot for all that in New York. You find your uniform pieces and you stick to that, you take care of them, and that's it. Or you just, like I cycle out my Hanes t-shirts, you know, once that season is over, you know, I donate them and I get another couple of packs, you know, because that's how frequent I wear them. And the last and final piece, my favorite piece from Cos. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this one. This is slightly sheer. It's a ribbed dress, sleeveless. It looks like a tank dress. Super pretty. This navy, and it is sheer. You can see me through there. But this with like a high waist black panty and like a strapless black bra. Very chic. And it's a midi. It's a lengthy dress. I saw it and immediately I was like, I have to have that. That is beautiful. I need that dress. It's so pretty, and it has like a raw finish around the neck as well. It has a little snap in the back, and it's super easy. I got this one because they do run a bit big. I got an extra small in this dress, and that's never my situation, but you have it and it expands so much. So depending on how you want it to fall on you, I wanted it to be slightly fitted because in my regular size it was super big in the armpit and it looked ill-fitting on me. But when I went down in size, it fit all the areas perfectly. So this is my Zara Cos roundup. These pieces are just simple. I will invest in a few more colorful items, but I feel like I'm good to go. Like I'm more excited to buy color for the fall and that type of thing. But we shall see what other things come up this season. And I love a good sale. I go for the sales, y'all. I don't care. Like, it could be full price, but then I'm like, I don't know. I think about it too hard. I feel like sometimes with these trendier items, everyone's in a mad dash to get things, and it takes the fun out of it. It takes the fun out of realizing what you love about the aesthetic and the design and marrying it to yourself, you know. So I like to take my time, and if things make it to the sale, then it was meant to be. Like, I don't care. So some brands I'm looking at a little closer is Organi, the Attico. I'm feeling their designs. I love what Cos is doing. I like to see what they come up with in their emails. And the Frankie shop. The Frankie shop always has easy pieces, but I'm looking for whatever colorful items that they have and seeing if I love them enough to invest and get them for me. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. Y'all made it this far. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends. Let me know what you think, what you're looking at. If you get any of the pieces, please tell me, because I get a high off of other people shopping too. You know, like it's a thorough, genuine, happy feeling. I'm like, oh my God, what did you get? Do you love it? Do you love it? How are you going to wear it? Like, I need all the details, because it's the sickness I feel, but I'm not mad at this sickness. I like my sickness. I appreciate my sickness, okay? It brings me happiness and joy, so why wouldn't I? Anyway, so yeah, tell me if y'all buy anything. And I will see y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, friends.